Hello students, now we are going to do questions on expansion using special algebraic identities. S.A.I. special algebraic identities. Now first method is without using any ID. This detail is for the second method. Look at this. If it is said simply expand 1 minus 3w whole square, you will just write down 1 minus 3w, factorize it. Simple factors. 1 minus 3w whole square means 1 minus 3w 2 times in the form of factors, and then you will multiply by fixing the second bracket and multiplying it with the first bracket, taking each term one by one. 1 multiplied by 1 minus 3w, you will write down like this, and then we will write down minus 3w multiplied by this, and in the next step we will multiply them. 1 will be multiplied by all the terms inside and the same terms come outside because 1 will put no effect on the terms. 1 multiplied by anything is the same thing. So 1 minus 3w will come out. Minus 3w multiplied by 1 will be 3w. Minus into, bracket means into means multiplication. Minus multiplied by minus will give you plus, and 3 multiplied by 3, 9. W multiplied by w square. Okay. Now minus 3w and minus 3w. These are two terms, same terms with same signs, so we will add them up. And same sign will come with the answer. 3 plus 3 will be 6. In algebra, whenever we have same signs with two terms, we will add them. And first of all, the numbers will be added up and the alphabet will come as it is. So minus 3 will be added up. We will get minus 6 and w will come as it is because with the answer, same sign will come as the sign is written with the terms. Plus 9w square. In algebra, you know well how to do addition and how to do subtraction. Terms having same signs are always added up and with the answer same sign will come. This is the answer. This is a simple method when it is said expand. But if it is said expansion, now expansion using ID2, if it is said to you expand 1 minus 3w square using identity, when it is said and you do this method, you will get 0 marks. Because this is not a use of ID, this is simple multiplication with the help of factors. We just factorized the given term and multiplied. Look at this. When it is said use identity to expand 1 minus 3w square, then you will do like this. Here in this question, first of all, we will look at minus sign and whole square. It means minus sign means this is ID2. A minus B whole square. Okay, here A is equal to 1 using ID2, A minus B whole square, where A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 3W. Look at this. In this term, A is equal to the A, what A? A of identity 2. A minus B whole square is left hand side of identity 2. Okay. Now left hand side of identity 2 is given in this form. Here A is equal to 1 and B is equal to minus 3W. Okay. And we know A minus B whole square is equal to A square minus 2AB plus B square. This is the right side of the second ID. Left side of the second ID is given to you in this form, and we need to use this ID's right side to expand it. Now right side will be used to expand this left side of the ID. As we know, A is equal to 1, so 1 square will come over here, minus 2 into A into B. Why I am reading it as A? Because A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 3W. So we will read it as 2AB, but we will write it as 2 into 1 into 3W, because here A is 1 and B is 3W. Similarly, come to the third term, B square. What is B? 3W. So we will write down plus 3W whole square. Don't notice this negative sign. This negative sign is just helping us to judge which ID we are going to use over here. This sign is giving us the sense of second ID, which is A minus B whole square. So in expansion, minus sign will come with 2AB only. Look at this. This is the expanded side of second ID. Minus sign is with 2AB. We have written this minus sign over here. Both the squares are plus. Squares are always plus. If there is a negative sign with a square, even then that is plus. So according to formula, plus sign will come over here, and what is B? B is 3W. We will write down 3W inside and square it. Now in the second step, look at this. This is use of ID to expand a closed form of a given ID, or if one side of an ID is given to us and it is said expand, it is definite closed side or the factorized side in which factors are closed. That closed side is given to us and we will expand it with the help of, we will expand that given closed side with the help of this expansion. Now we have applied ID over here, and now we will simplify it. 1 square means 1. 1 into 1 is always 1, minus 3W multiplied by 1 multiplied by 2. First of all, 2 multiplied by 1 is 2. 2 3s are 6. W as it is, minus 6W, plus 3W square means, look at this, 3W square means 3W multiplied by 3W. 3 will be multiplied by with 3, number with the number, and alphabet with the alphabet. 3 3s are 9. W into W, because multiplying is being done, so we will multiply alphabets as well and their powers will be added up. It will be W square. So 3W into 3W means 9W square. So don't mix up multiplication with addition. In addition, we don't add up the powers. In multiplication, we add up the powers of the variables. So 9W is over here. It is two-step question when we are using identity. Question number 2. Here we have used ID 2. In question number 2, we will use ID 1. Term is expand 5W plus 3 whole square. It will be given in the question when you are in the examination hall and you will get your paper. In your paper, it will be written using identities. Expand this term using identities. So we will use which ID? Plus sign is telling us this is A plus and whole square is telling us this is ID 1, which is A plus B whole square. Now what is A over here? 5W. A is equal to 5W, B is equal to 3 here. They have replaced in the question, whoever has given you this question, he has replaced or she has replaced A by 5W and B by 3. So A plus B whole square it will be read as A plus B whole square, but at the place of A we consider 5W, and at the place of B we will consider 3. Similarly, you will write down the expansion in front of you. It will make your task very easy. First of all, you should write down ID1 in the rough column of your paper. A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. Now this side is given to us, left hand side is given to us, and we will apply right hand side to expand it, to expand the left side. So at the place of, we will write down 5W. A square means 5W square plus 2AB means 2 into A. Look at this, my arrow is going to 5W. 2AB means 2 into A into B, because this is the second term of the right side of your ID, 2AB. So 2 into A into B, here your A, I have put arrows over here, I have put arrows over here to show you this is our A in this question, this is our A and B, and this is our B in this question. Similarly, this term is representing A. So A square means 5W square. 5W square means 5W into 5W. 5 5 is 25, W into W, W square, 25 square, first term, plus 2 into 5W into 3. 5 2s are, you can multiply it in any order. 5 2s are 10, 10 3s are 30, and W will come with it. Plus third term, our B is 3. So 3 square will be 9 square. 3 into 3, 3 square means 9. 3 into 3, 3 square means 3 into 3, and 3 3s are 9. This is expanded form using ID 1. Now we have expanded this expression which is given to us using ID 1. This way got this expansion. Okay, we have got this expansion using ID 1. If it is said strictly use identities, never go to this method. I have given you this method just to show you what students do in the papers. We have observed many times, whenever it is given expand using identities, students just write down the term and expand it with the help of factors and get 0 mark. So please be careful while doing such sums in which instructions are strictly given to you. Now in these questions, these are the instructions: expand this given term, expand this given term using identities. Here we used ID2, here we used ID1. This will give you full marks. This is two-step question only. So never go with the layman process. Students, I hope method is very clear to you, and everything I have explained well. Everything would be clear to you. Please don't forget to like my videos and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.